Hey guys, we're opening up the 151 Scarlet Violet booster bundle, 6 packs. See what we get out of here. Oh, that pack's a little hard to open. Charizard first try! Yes! Charizard. And a Raichu. Charizard. There we go. Look at that. That's a nice pull there, right off the first pack. Right off the first pack. Nice pull. It looks really nice too. Awesome. Well, let's move on to the next pack. Psyduck! Look at that! Nice. Another nice hit. All right, let's clean this up a little bit here. All right, next pack. 4 more left. All right, got 2 hits. 2 for 2 so far. Kangaskhan EX. That's an alright hit. Three for 3, not bad. Not bad, 3 for 3. All right, let's see what the 4th pack has for us. Alakazam EX. Not too bad. Not too bad. Nice hit. We're 4 for 4 right now. Nice. All right, 5th pack. Pikachu. Reverse Hollow. Champ. Still 4 for 5. Let's see if we can get another hit on the 6. Haunter, Drowsy, Aerodactyl, Shiny Energy. Well, we went 4 for 6. We got this beautiful Charizard. Looks great. And then we also got the Psyduck illustration, which is also in great condition. And to go with that, we got the Alakazam EX and the Kangaskhan EX.